Along with the way the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) for Rivers State don't fight and destroy illegal refineries for the Niger Delta region, these oil tiffy people no one hear and no one remove hand for oil tiffy. The NSCDC once again don't go destroy another illegal refinery where these oil tiffy people built for Umoche for Echa local government area of Rivers State. Officers of the NSCDC with some Tori people come carry waka around one forest for Umoche for Echa local government area of Rivers State where oil tiffy people for build one new illegal refinery for where the team can recover 20,000 litres capacity receiver open tank, 25 litres cooking pot and 4-inch galvanized pipes. The talk person of the command, Olufemi Ayodele, talk say now the anti-vandalism unit discovered the new site based on correct informate. It can promise say them go continue to make sure say them destroy all illegal refineries.
Intelligence, the anti-vandal team, the anti-vandal squad is swung into action in order to case this place. They have been here for the past weeks to ensure that no activity take place here at all. This is because they're taking proactive step because we don't know the source they're going to connect these pipes. As you see the pipe there, we have about 400 meters long galvanized pipes, and the intention is to siphon crude and begin to produce here. So this is an illegal local refinery sort of. And so what we are going to do now, all these materials are going to be totally confiscated.
The head of the anti-vandalism unit, Peters Ibiso, conchuk mouth on how the illegal refineries they work.
This particular place we are is not far from Iguruta. It's not far, and there is a pipeline that traverses there, and that pipeline conveys crude. So what these bunkers will do, they will connect a point. As you can see, the setting is still ongoing. They are yet to conclude it. They will connect from the pipeline, tap from the pipeline, vandalize it, then feed this one. When they feed this oven, it's from here they boil. It's from here they boil. They use different mechanisms. They can use gas, they can use wood to boil. As they boil, just like the conventional refinery, fractional distillation. So now it will be passing through this point. When they heat, you know, the more you heat, as the temperature is going up, you have different products of petroleum. You have PMS, you have AGO, you have DPK. So it will run through this pipe. But they don't heat it for long because PMS is very inflammable. So as soon as they hit AGO, they are okay.
For one talk session with the state commandant Basi Igwebweze, a compromise said they go make the state uncomfortable for illegal oil dealers. In talk say
the illegal refinery was being set up preparatory for commencement of their illegal activities before our men stumbled to the activities and then discovered them and destroyed them. Part of the items in the refinery, the illegal refinery, includes cooking pots, conveyor belts, galvanized pipes, and other auxiliaries used for the illegal activities. The Corps will not relent in its effort to continue to tackle the illegal oil dealers and other vandals in the state so that the state will be very uncomfortable for them to operate in, and consequently for them to either abandon their illegal trade or to relocate to any other place that they deem favorable to operate in. We will always rely on actionable intelligence from the public to aid us in our activities, because we act on prompt intelligence, and it is intelligence that drives our operation.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesoli, TMC TV News.